Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to load Livery in Monoposto. To load Livery in Monoposto mobile racing game, you must first find the Livery image file, save it to your device's photo gallery, and then import it through the in-game team settings menu. Step 1. Find and save the Livery image. Search for Livery packs. Many players and content creators on YouTube, Discord, and Facebook share links to Google Drive folders containing custom liveries, helmets, and suits for various seasons. Use the correct size image. For Monoposto 2025, only one image file is needed per livery. The standard size for liveries is typically 2048 by 2048 pixels. Save the image. Once you find the livery you want, download the image and save it to your device's photo gallery or camera roll. Step 2. Import the livery in-game. The process is similar for both iOS and Android devices. Go to Team Settings, open the Monoposto game and navigate to the Team Settings menu. Next, select the team to edit. Tap on the team whose livery you want to change. Then import the image. Select the car livery from the options. The game will prompt you to choose a picture from your device's gallery. Finally, load the new livery. Locate and select the livery image you saved in Step 1. The game will automatically load the livery onto your car model. And Step 3. Repeat for other items. You can follow the same process to import other custom items such as helmets and driver suits using the image files found in livery packs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.